So, hi there, what's up, guys? How's it going? I hope you had a good week and you have a good Friday tomorrow. So, what's the plan for the weekend? कैसे हैं आप लोग, So, before the weekend ends, I'm going to inform you about something really important. This is going to be a fun, packed, and a mega celebrity film festival where Delhi Drum Circle, which I'm a part of since the year 2008 and 2009, we're going to be playing at the Delhi Drum Circle at the Ambedkar Center, 15 Janpat Road. Get the details on the mailer, on my social media, and on Facebook. So we're going to be all getting together. This bunch of creative people and musicians and whoever is interested in being a part of it, as a drummer, as a flute player, as a audience, all of you can be there. And this is going to be happening, like I said, on this weekend. And everybody is welcome. For the drummers from the Delhi Drum Circle, it's going to be by invitation, so we are going to be playing there. But people who are interested in joining as a viewer or who want to participate in this, the entry is going to be through buying passes, which are available on bookmyshow.com. होगा क्या यहाँ पे? So it's going to be good fun. It's going to be drumming, which the Delhi Drum Circle is going to do. They're going to screen a lot of movies. Celebrities are expected. It's one of the largest film festivals, and I've heard this. I'm not very sure, but you need to Google it or research this. And you're going to have some mega star movies, some Amir Khan and some other actors also being showed here, and you can expect some Bollywood celebrities as well. So if you're keen to kind of catch up on the entertainment of movies and production and creativity and music, be our guest, join in. If you're not playing with the Delhi Drum Circle, you need to get your passes on bookmyshow.com, and you can enjoy over the weekend and go back feeling refreshed and stuff. And rest of the details are available on social media. Check their pages. You can check our handle on Facebook and on Instagram by the name of Delhi Drum Circle. So this is a group of it's an open community and a group of people from all across the city and the world who get together to create music. And the film festival guys have actually invited us to play because they really like the idea that we are actually, through our drumming and through our creativity, we are actually multiplying and spreading joy and happiness and stuff. And also, let me update you and let me inform you that a few weeks back, now that cleanliness has become such a big concern for our city, where the cleanliness campaign has been launched through a challenge and a competition. 1 crore is going to be given to the cleanest of the wards in the areas and stuff. Delhi Drum Circle was privileged enough to be invited, and we played at the Mehrauli Archaeological Park on one of the weekends, where there was a campaign which was around planting as many number of trees and on no litter on the roads and stuff. So in continuation to this, now we gone the other way. We are happy, delighted. We are extremely proud and thrilled that we're going to be performing there. So it's going to be happening on this weekend. So check out the dates and mark yourself present by booking tickets if you're not a drummer or a player with the Delhi Drum Circle. And you're definitely going to have a great time. Also, experiencing creativity and enjoying movies from all across the country. And I've already shared it. Celebrities are going to be coming in and stuff. And of course, you're going to have live drumming and other, I believe, cultural programs and stuff. So gear up, do your work, and prepare. Be there in full energy and stuff. And remember to, kind of check the rest of the details on Google and on social media. I will not be in a position to answer any of your questions. So a good idea would be to basically research it and then plan yourself and drop in there. So love and luck, and have fun and have a blast, and see you there, whether a drum or an instrument. And let's just rock it and have some fun. Take care and have a great Friday tomorrow and a good start to the weekend. This is Jasleen Kabani. I'm from New Delhi NCR, and professionally I'm the founder and CEO of a setup in Delhi NCR by the name of I'm Decor and Design, and we are in the business of designing and manufacturing home and office decor and interior solutions. So I'll also be there, and so will a lot of other creative and professional people who play at the Delhi Drum Circle almost every 15 days or so. So join us and have some fun, and you can register by simply joining the community online and following the events, and you'll be updated on what's happening next and stuff. So be there and do not be square, okay? Love and luck. Bye bye. Cheers. Yeah.